Now, Rob is here to tell us something about XTS. Good morning, Rob. Good to have you again on the show. I already told on the way out that XTS is proven technology, and at the end it goes about product handling. So how do we handle products traditionally with XTS?
So there's a few different ways that customers have handled the products. They will build either some things like a spring-loaded gripper where they'll drive over a mechanical cam that opens up and can accept a part, or they'll use things like two movers together, and then one mover, by changing the spacing, they can change, open an actuator, or open a gripper, close a gripper, or perform another function.
Okay. And what are the typical applications for that?
So either for part handling, or even in some cases for assembly systems, or they really just want to take the part and perhaps place it on a tray to work with it, and then bring it back and then continue on.
Okay. So now, so far, our product was also transporting just the product. Now, there's an update coming up. This is the NCT technology. We talked about this already at the last trade show. NCT means no cable technology. And I think you need to highlight one more time what NCT brings to the mover.
Exactly. So we've had these ways of doing it, but they're all mechanical and they're all not so easy. So now with the NCT, we've got power and we've got data right in the mover.
Yes.
So that gives us, we need the power to drive something. We want to turn an actuator on, we want to move a cylinder, we want to turn a motor. But we need the control, we need the data to tell it when to do this. So now we've got that directly on the mover here, and now
No. If we need data on the mover, we have terminals, but I don't see terminals.
So we've taken the logic of the terminals, and we've put that into the pickup for the NCT part. So pretty much any function that we have in our I/O portfolio, we can mount that into a mover.
Okay, and that means this mover here gets power and data through this no cable technology right to the mover. Now, what is this application finally all about, Rob?
So this one was for us, we've been trying a few different of the gripper just to give customers an idea what might be possible. So here we put on a little simple gripper mechanism, and we have a little solenoid that actuates the gripper to move it around. And then we have, more importantly, the feedback to know, did we close on the product, did we not close on the product, right? Did we happen to somehow miss it? So now we have the feedback to say, okay, is it in the right position, pick up the part, continue on to the next location. And one other important thing is we can actually talk to every mover in the system in parallel every millisecond. So really, I have complete full control over the system. It's just as if it was wired.
It closes the loop. Thank you, Rob. And we talked about sustainability, about efficiency, about performance, and now also simplicity, because we have the data now available.